Welcome everyone in this presentation of Six Sigma Trade. My name is Asif Bashir. I am the master distributor for Pakistan, India, and Middle East market. And the opportunity I'm going to tell you is the brand new opportunity right now. And this is a very new company with the most amazing plan, most amazing business plan. Okay, because we are having so many senior networkers here, and you have seen so many plans in the past. But now you are going to see a plan which is having so many innovations, which is having so many new things with this. Okay, so this is the best plan I have ever seen in my whole 17 years network marketing career. Okay, so this
17
company
years.
is called Six Sigma Trade.
Ah,
Okay,
oh,
This com-
wow, babe. But no, they work. So now networking just dey do.
okay, so this company called Six Sigma Trade. Okay, Six Sigma Trade is a brand new opportunity, and this company started only 5 months ago from New Zealand. Their head office is in New Zealand, and the company's is basically an artificial intelligence company. This artificial intelligence company is turned into network marketing company. This is the only company in the world which is basically an artificial intelligence company and turned into network marketing company. We are having so many companies in the world, but and they are also using the robots, but they are buying the robots from the other companies. They are taking the robot on lease from the other companies. They are not the creator of the bot, but this company Six Sigma is itself the creator of the robot. So their business was creating robots for forex traders and brokers. Okay, so they was creating robots for the forex brokers and traders, and company was selling them to these forex brokers and trader, and company was charging a monthly fees also for that. Okay, this was the primary business of the company. This was the basic business for the company, but they have created a robot few months ago which is called IFA. IFA, the sign of success. IFA is a bot which has been created by Six Sigma Trade few months ago. Okay, after the so many hardships, after so many people have sit together and they have created this bot, because IFA is created by so many forex brokers, traders, and also so many artificial intelligence experts. So when they have created this robot is back tested with all the market volatilities, and this bot was having so much good results. Okay, and this bot was making so much good profit. So the CEO of the company, Miss Sura Bianca, the visionary lady, she have decided to put this bot into network marketing. She have decided to not to sell this bot to other brokers or traders. She have decided to use this bot for their own company, Six Sigma Trade. Okay, so they have opened their own account, and the bot is only working for Six Sigma Trade now. IFA is not working for any company in the world. It is only working for Six Sigma Trade. Okay, and the good thing that Six Sigma is the creator of the robot, so they can modify anytime this robot according to the market circumstances. Okay, so this is something very good about this company and this robot. So this is the basic summary as I have told you about the company. And now we are going to the next slide, and I'm gonna show you some more very amazing thing. The next slide, Mr. Mujib, next slide. And the next slide is of the location of the head office of the company. Okay, where is company located? As I told you in the start, that this company is located in the New Zealand, in the Wellington. Okay, so there is the address in front of you right now, that this company is located in Wellington, New Zealand. The address is level 16, Dimension Data House, 157 Lamson Quay, Wellington, 6011, New Zealand. Okay, and now the next turn is about that visionary lady, the CEO, the person behind all this outstanding system, and her name is none other than Miss Sura Bianca. Okay, she is a very humble lady, and she is the professional of artificial intelligence since 2009, and she have worked with so many big artificial intelligence company in the past. And Six Sigma is the brainchild of Miss Sura Bianca. Some people called her a tech savvy goddess. Okay, she believe in the in the potential of network marketing. She believes in the power of network marketing. That's why she have decided to put IFA into network marketing and start their own outstanding system for the members of the Six Sigma Trade family. So at the end, now we are having a final product in shape of Six Sigma Trades business plan. Okay, and a lot of people in the world, they are joining Six Sigma very, very fast. This is spreading like fire. Okay, and the good thing that this company started in Asia and Africa only 2 months ago. So this is very, very new company for us, because we are coming in a very, very good time. We are coming in very, very start of the company. Okay, and we can have the top positions. We can have the first row position, the first layer position. So as a networker, you understand very well that how good is it to come in the very, very start of a company in your own region. Okay, and this is a message from CEO. And the good thing that I haven't joined this company just after hearing the name of the company. I have go to meet the CEO. I personally met her with around 15 of my top leaders from around the globe. We met her in Qatar and we are having so much discussion, one to one, face to face. We have done our due diligence. We have witnessed her vision about the company. So we was very, very much impressed, and we was agreed. When we was agreed with the system, then we come back to our countries and we started work. It's not like that the CEO is not visible, the management is not visible, the office is not visible, and we are joining a company. It's not like that. The CEO is there, the management is there, the office is there. You can talk to her, you can meet her, you can touch her. So this is the biggest reason for me to join this company also. And now we are going to the other slide. Here in this slide, you can see a message from the CEO. And in this message, there is also, you can see the vision of the company. Okay, next slide, Mr. Mujib. And then we are having some assets. We are having some plus points of the company. The asset slide of the company, Mr. Mujib. Now I'm going to tell you that what this company is having very, very good, what this company is having better than other companies. Okay, so first of all, this company is having no activation fee. Can you understand that? Do you know the meaning of that? That there is no activation fee. Okay, a lot of companies in the world, they are earning very big from the activation fee only. Okay, but here in this company, you don't need to pay any activation fee, any monthly fee, any computer fee, or any annual fee. Okay, there is no documentation fee. So there is no hidden charges, no nasty surprises. So this is one of a plus of the company. And then we are having one more very, 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 very positive thing, which is the asset or plus point of the company. And that is the 9 ways of income. Guys, imagine 9 ways of income. We have seen the companies with 1, 2, 3, or 4 ways of income, but this company is coming up with 9 ways of income. Okay, if you are not earning with one way, you can earn with other 8 ways. Okay, so there are a lot of ways. Company want to put something into your pocket, so there is so many ways to earn. Some people are good in one way, or some people are good in other way. So this company is for all. So this is the first ever company in the history of network marketing with 9 ways of income. And then we are having one more plus point, which is called the first ever escrow service into network marketing industry. Okay, so for the escrow, I will tell you on the other slides, because this escrow is a complete system, and I want to tell you in the next slides. And right now we are having the products. The products are here in front of you. The company is having two major products. One is the crypto trading and one is the forex trading. And company is using both tradings through their artificial intelligence system, through their artificial intelligence bot, okay, which is called IFA. Okay, so company's journey starts with the artificial intelligence. Okay, so the bot is doing crypto trading and forex trading with the company, and whatever the profits they are making, whatever they are earning from that trading, they are going to share with us. Okay, so this is our products. This is our products. Okay, and crypto trading, you know very well. You know very well that what is the forex trading, because I believe that we are having so many top leaders here, And I really understand that your time is very, very important, and it is very, very much precious. So I don't want to put you into the details of crypto and forex trading. If there is someone who don't know about crypto or forex trading, so I will suggest you to talk to your introducer, the person who bring you here. You can talk to him after the presentation, and he will tell you more about crypto and forex trading. Okay, because 90% of the people here, they knows very well what is forex and what is crypto. Okay, and now let's meet IFA. IFA, as I told you, IFA is the power of the company. IFA is the trading master. Okay, so this is very, very powerful robot we are having. Okay, this IFA is basically using two major strategies for trading. The number one strategy is scalping, which is also called the micro trading, and the number two is the position trading. Okay, so these are the two major strategies for IFA. Okay, so this IFA is making the profits because of these two major strategies, and then company is distributing that profits between all the Six Sigma family according to their packages. Okay, so this is IFA, and now we are going to the next slides. Okay, and then we will be directly going to the 8 packages of the company. Six Sigma 8 packages. What are that 8 packages? So directly we will be going to the packages slide, and this is something very, very important. This slide is very, very important for all of us, because here in this slide we will know that how we can join this company. Okay, and how much we have to invest, and how much we will take home. So this is something very, very important. This is about the business. Okay, so Six Sigma is having 8 packages. First of all, your friend will send you a referral link. Okay, the very, very first step of joining this company is that your friend will send you a referral link. You will register yourself with that referral link. You have to fill up a form and you will register yourself. Company will give you a username, a login name, and a password, so you can access your account. So this is the very, very first step. And the second step is to choose a package and buy this. Okay, choose a package and buy it. So we are having 8 packages. The smallest package we are having is $99. Okay, basic package, which is $99. But I will not call it $99 again. I will call it $100 for the ease of everyone, for the understanding of everyone. I will call it the $100. Okay, I will make it the round figure so everyone can understand. Why company put this 99, 299, 499? Because there is a tax slab system in some governments. Okay, so that's why sometimes companies have to do this 99 thing. But right now, I'm going to tell you in a round figure that the very first package company is having the $100 package, which is the basic package. Okay, and then company is having the builder package with $300. Then company is having the super package with $500, the executive package $1,000, and the executive plus package, which is a newly launched package, and that package is $4,000. And then company is having the master package, and that master package is $10,000. And after that, company is having elite package, which is the $20,000 package, and ambassador package, which is the $50,000 package. So we are having total 8 packages. 8 packages. And then you can see with every package there is something called business points, network limit, and daily capping. Every package have different business point, different network limit, and different daily capping. What are the business points? Business points are used for the calculation of network marketing commissions, and also this is used for the calculation of rewards. Okay, so you can say the business points are the parameter to calculate your commissions and your rewards. And then we are having the network limit. What is this network limit? Network limit is something very, very important. You have to understand that network limit is the maximum income potential of your package. Maximum income potential of your package. Okay, so the network limit for basic package, for builder, and for super package is 3x. You can see there that it is written 3x. 3x means what? 3x means 3 times. Okay, 3 times of your package amount. If you have bought a package of $100, so your network limit is 3 times, which is the 300. Okay, so you can earn $300 from a package of $100. Okay, and when you will earn the $300, then you have to take home $200, and $100 you have to reinvest. That is called network limit. Okay, what is included in this network limit? Network limit only includes the network marketing commissions, which are the direct commission, binary commission, royalty commission. That's all. Network limit doesn't include the ROI and the rewards. So this is something very, very good. This is the only company in the world which is only calculating the network marketing commissions for you. They are not counting the ROI and the rewards. So this is very, very good. And then we are having some more packages. We are having executive and executive plus package, which is having a network limit of 3.5x, means 3.5 times. Master package is 4x, means 4 times. And then we are having elite package. Elite package is elite package is 4.5x, means 4.5 times. And then we are having the ambassador package, which is 5x. 5x means 5 times, means if your package is the ambassador package, then you can earn $250,000. $250,000 as your network marketing commission. You can take home the $200,000. You can take home the $200,000, and $50,000 you have to reinvest. 200,000 will go to your home, and only $50,000 you have to reinvest. So this is called the Six Sigma packages. And you can imagine that when you are reinvesting your $50,000, you will again have the ROI, you will again have the network limit of 5x. So this is very, very amazing system. This is called Six Sigma packages. We are having 8 packages, and at the end we are having a daily capping thing. That daily capping I will tell you in the binary slide, because daily capping is only applicable on binary commission. So that's why it is good to discuss this thing on the binary slide. Okay, so Mr. Mujib, can we go on? And now we are having one more very, very important slide, which is about the 9 ways of income. As in this very, very start, I told you that this company is having a plus point, which is called the 9 ways of income. Okay, so we are having 9 ways of income. Very first way is ROI income, then direct commission, then binary commission, then royalty commission, then myriad share bonus, then Hall of Fame share bonus, then presenter bonus, then escrow income, and then ranks and rewards. So we are having total 9 ways of income. So this is something very, very amazing. Okay, so now I will be telling you all these 9 ways of income slide by slide. First of all, we will go to ROI slide, and then we will go to direct commission slide. So what is the ROI? ROI is in front of us. ROI stands for return on investment. Okay, so this is a totally passive income, totally passive. Okay, you don't need to do any working for that. You don't need to bring any people. You don't need to sell any package. Nothing. You don't need to do anything. You just have to come and buy the package and then sit down, and money will be dropping into your back office. This is something very, very good. Okay, so this is a totally passive income. And as I told you that we are having 8 packages. Okay, and you will be receiving this passive income according to your package size, according to your package price. So in the very start of the company, I want to tell you the big rule of this company, big rule of Six Sigma. What is this big rule? This big rule of the company is that if you are going to buy a big package, you will be having the big benefits. If you are going to buy a small package, you will be having small benefits. So all your benefits will be coming to you according to your package size, in terms of percentage or in terms of limits. Okay, so this is something very, very important. You have to understand that. So right now we are having 8 packages, and company is paying you the passive income. Okay, this is the totally profits, and you will be receiving this for 52 weeks. Okay, not for one day. This will be coming to you for 52 weeks, consecutive weeks. Okay. And how much it will be coming to you? Basic package will be getting 2.5% per week. Builder package will be getting 3% per week. Super package will be getting 3.25% per week. Executive and executive plus package will be getting 3.5% per week. Master package will be getting 4% per week. Elite package will be getting 4.5% per week. Ambassador package will be getting 5.5%, the minimum, the maximum percentage, the largest percentage, which is the 5.5% per week, and you are getting this percentage on ambassador package. So this company is giving you percentage ranges from 2.5 to 5.5. Okay, so it depends on you that which package you have bought. Okay, and when this ROI will start? This ROI will start after the first 2 weeks, after the first 14 days. Okay, and this will be start dropping into your back office after the first 14 days. Okay, the 15th day of your registration will be your first day for ROI. But when it will be started, it will be coming to you for whole 52 weeks. So this is a very, very amazing commission. And if you want to see what is your total return, then you just have to do something very, very simple. You have to multiply your weekly percentage by 52 and you will have the total return. So like if you are having the ambassador package, so you can multiply 5.5 by 52. So the answer will be 286%. It means that almost 3 times of your investment you are getting uh, just in a passive income without doing anything. So this is amazing. This is the best business I have ever seen. So now we are going to the next slide, which is the very, very first commission, very, very first commission for active income, because the ROI was the passive income, but this is the first active income. Why we called it active? Because for getting this income, you have to show some activity, you have to bring some people, you have to do some work. Okay, and what is that work? Is it difficult? No, no, no. This is not difficult. This is very, very simple. What you have to do, whatever the ROI you are receiving, you just have to show to your friends, and definitely when they see that you are earning, they will be interested also. So they also want to invest, they also want to buy some package. So when they will be showing their interest, you just have to send them your referral link. So when you will be sending them your referral link, they will join under you and they will buy the package. So how much you will getting paid in direct commission? Whatever the package your direct referrals are buying, you will be earning 10% of that amount. Okay, 10% of that amount. So for example, one of your friends bought a package of $300. Okay, so you will be getting 10% of 300, which will be $30 for you. $30 for you. Okay, and one of your friend has bought a package of $500, so you will be getting 10% of 500, which is the $50 for you. Okay, so this is a very, very simple formula, but some people will say that in the slide this is not 10%, in the slide this is 50%. Why, Mr. Asif, you were telling us about 10%? Because I told you about the amount. Okay, if you are calculating it through amount, then this is the 10% of the amount. But if you are calculating it through business points, then it will be 50% of the business points. Okay, so but the answer will be same in both ways, in amount or in business point, the answer will be same, because for the $300 package the business point are 60, so the 50% of 60 is $30, which is accurately the 10% of the amount. So this is something very, very simple. That's why I told you through amount. This is simple, 10% of the amount. Okay, so right now in this slide you are having two people. Okay, so can we bring more than two? Yes, we can bring more than two. We can bring 5, 10, 50, 100, 200, whatever we want, we can bring. There is no quota, there is no limit. And for every direct member, for every direct referral, you will be earning 10% of his investment. So this is very, 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 very amazing and attractive commission. And now we are going to the next slide, which is the most famous commission, which is the most fastest commission in the world. and this is very favorite of network marketers, which is called the binary commission. This binary is based on two sides. The concept of the binary is power lag and the pay lag. So you can see here in this slide that there is a position which is called U. So consider yourself at that position, that this is U, okay, and now you are having two sides. One is your left side and one is your right side, okay. And in the left side you can see there is 180 business points, and in the right side there is 360 business point, okay. So as I told you, there is a concept of power lag and pay lag. So right now we are having one side with more points, so that will be definitely our power lag, because this is with the more points. And on the other hand, we are having a side with the less points, with 180 business point. So this is our pay lag. Okay, so the very simple formula: the side with more points is your power lag, the side with the less points is your pay lag. Okay, so why we call it pay lag? Because we will be getting paid from this lag. Okay, company will be giving us the commissions and calculating from our pay lag. Okay, so left side is our pay lag, and we are having 180 business point in our left side, so we will be getting paid on the basis of 180 business points. Okay, so how much we will be getting paid? Definitely we are getting paid by 180 business point, but how much we will be getting? How much is our percentage from 180 business point? That is also depends on our package, because as I told you in the start, the big rule of the company: the bigger the package, the bigger the benefit. The smaller the package, the smaller the benefit. So right now, again, you will see that here, that if your package is small, means basic package, you will be having 40% of 180 business point, which is $72 for you. And if your package is not basic, it is builder, super, executive or executive plus, then you will be getting 50% of 180 business point, which will become $90 for you. Instead of $72, now you are earning $90. And if your package is a master, then you will be earning even more than $90. It will be $99 for you. And if your package is elite, then you will be getting $108 from the same 180 business point. And if your package is ambassador, you will be getting 70% of that points, and which will be $126 for you. Guys, imagine that you are earning $72 from the same business point, and you are getting $126 from the same business point. This is a very big difference. And why this is a difference? Because of our own package size. Okay, so I will suggest you to buy the bigger package according to your affordability, and keep upgrading it. Okay, if you will be upgrading, you will be earning with the effect of synergy, with synergetic effect. Okay, so this is something very good, and this is the binary commission. And one more thing about the binary is that we are having the daily capping, as I told you in the Six Sigma packages slide, that we are having daily capping, and that is only applicable on binary commission. Okay, so the daily capping is 1x. 1x means one time of your package amount on the packages of basic, builder, super, executive, executive plus, and master. So if you are having these packages, then your daily capping is 1x per day. Okay, daily basis. Okay, so the per day 1x means that if your package is master, it means your package amount is $10,000. So you are daily capping is also $10,000. If you are earning more than 10,000, like $10,500 from binary commission in single day, $10,000 will come to you, and $500 will be flushed off for that day only. Okay, because from the next day, company will be start calculating again. And for the elite package, this is not 1x, this is 1.5x, means $20,000 package will earn $30,000 per day. And for the ambassador package, this is not even 1.5x, this is 2x, means two times. Okay, $50,000 two times is what? This is $100,000 per day. Company is allowing you to earn $100,000 per day. Guys, imagine $100,000 per day is very big from binary. I have never seen a company which can allow you to earn $100,000 per day from binary only. So this is very amazing. And now we are going to the other slide, which is called the royalty commission. Royalty commission is the most innovative commission. Okay, and this is introduced by Six Sigma only. Okay, and this commission is the biggest reason for me to join this company, to jump in the Six Sigma trade. Okay, because this commission is amazing. This is not a one-time commission. In the network marketing, we have always enjoyed the one-time commissions. The direct commission is one time, the binary commission is one time. If we want to earn again, then we have to wait for the people to duplicate. But the royalty commission is not a one-time commission. This is a 52 times commission, not one time, 52 times. From a single person, you are earning this commission for 52 times. Okay, how you are getting this commission? Because this commission is coming from their ROI. Okay, not from their teams. This is coming from their investment. This is coming from their ROI. Okay, and this ROI is coming for how many weeks? This is coming for 52 weeks. So every week, your direct person or your team members are earning their ROI. You will be getting a certain percentage from their ROI commission every week. Okay, so this is very, 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 very amazing commission. And let's suppose, for example, you have bring someone with $50,000. Okay, and why he joined $50,000? Because he loves to have more ROI. He loves to have 5.5% per week. So he have joined with $50,000. Okay, and he is your direct referral. So that's why he will become your level one. So on level one, company is giving you 5% royalty commission. Okay, so he is earning 5.5% of $50,000, which will become $2,750 for him, and he will be earning that amount for 52 weeks. So you will be earning 5% of $2,750 for 52 weeks from him. Okay, so what will be that 5% of 2,750? It will be $140 for you. You will be earning that $140 for 52 weeks. And if you multiply 140 by 52, it will be more than $7,200 for you from a single person. Single person. So if you are having 5 people on your level 1, or 10 or 20 or 50, so you can calculate that how much will be your royalty income every week. Okay, this will be a fixed income for you. Every week you will be earning how big from your level 1 only. And the good news is that company is not only going to give you from level 1, company is giving you from level 2 also, from level 3, 4, 5 and 6 also, and even up to level 10, company is going to give you that amazing commission. From the first level, this is 5%, level 2, this is 2%, level 3, this is 1%, from level 4 to level 10, this is 0.5% each level. So this is amazing commission, guys. Okay, and company have shared a projection with us. For example, if you are joining $500 package and all your team is copying you, everyone is joining with $500 package, and you are having 5 direct downlines and everyone is copying you with 5 direct downlines. So in 1 year, only 1 year, you will be earning more than $51 million from the royalty commission only. So this is that kind of big commission. So we are going to the next slide. The next slide is called the myriad share bonus. This myriad share bonus, this is also something very, very amazing. And this myriad share is also very, very innovative commission. And this is introduced by Six Sigma Trade. Okay. And what is this myriad share commission? This is coming from the pay lag. Okay. As I told you, the concept of power lag and pay lag. So the company is giving you this commission from the pay lag. So whenever you are having 10,000 business points in your pay lag, company will award you 1 share. Okay. So if you are having total 20,000 business point in your pay lag, it means that you are having 2 shares, because for every 10,000 point, company is awarding 1 share. So if you are having 100,000 points, it means that you are holding 10 shares. How we are getting paid? Company is putting 1% of their global profits into these shares, putting 1% of their global profits into these shares. Okay, and every share has a value at the end of the month, and company is giving you according to the value and according to the number of shares you are holding. Okay, so for example, if the share value is $200, one share value is $200. So if you are holding 10 shares, so it means that you are having $2,000 for your immediate share bonus only. Okay, and the good news that this share is not a one-time share. It will not expire after one time. This will be stay with you forever. This is an accumulated share. Okay, so we have to understand that these shares are the accumulated shares. And now we are having the other commission, which is called the Hall of Fame share bonus. Hall of Fame share bonus is also something very, very good. And this commission is also a monthly commission. And company is paying us this commission through 1% of their global profit also. And company is distributing that 1% amount into the last 4 ranks of the company. And they have made some pools, the clubs, and company is distributing this Hall of Fame commission uh, according to the club we are sitting in. Okay, so this is also a very, very good commission, and company will make you the shareholder of the company once you touch the club number 6, the rank number 6. And now we are having another commission which is called the presenter bonus. Okay, we are going to the slide of presenter bonus. Presenter bonus is specially designed for the presenter and the trainers of the company. If you are a good presenter and someone inspired by your presentation and he joined the company in any team of the company, it doesn't matter he is joining you or he is joining any other group, but if he is inspired by your presentation and he put your username while he was joining, so company will be giving you 10% of his business point. Like if he joined with uh, 200 business point, company will be transferring 20 business points to you, and 180 business point will be delivered to his hierarchy. And the points which you receive, now you can use those points according to your own need. You can use them into your pay leg or in your power leg. So this is something very, very good commission. And the next commission is called the escrow income. This is basically not a commission. This is the additional service introduced by Six Sigma Trade, and this is the third party guarantor service by Six Sigma Trade. As you know, the companies are always running the promotions and companies are responsible for the rewards, but sometimes the leader try to copy the company, and what they do, they do run the promotions like company. They copy the company. Okay, and when some people achieve that promotion, when then some people achieve that promotion, then sometimes the leader step back. Okay, and they don't want to give the reward amount to people, so this thing become a disappointment for everyone. So company is very much concerned about that. Company is very much concerned about their goodwill, so they don't want to ruin their name because of someone. So that's why company have introduced this system. And if someone is offering a promotion, then he have to register that promotion into the back office of the company. And if someone achieve that promotion, then company will be responsible for the reward. Okay, so this is something very important about the Six Sigma. And now we are going to the other slide, which is the Six Sigma e-wallet. Okay, this e-wallet is the super wallet. Okay, because all type of commissions are dropping into one wallet, which is Six Sigma e-wallet. Your ROI will be dropping here, your direct commission, your binary, your royalty, everything is dropping into Six Sigma e-wallet. Okay, and you can withdraw your amount anytime through this wallet. 24/7 you can withdraw from this wallet. You can deposit into this wallet. Okay, so this wallet is a super wallet. You can transfer the funds from this wallet to other Six Sigma family members. So this wallet is the super wallet, and there is some charges of withdrawal and transfer, and that charges are 5% to 1%. Maximum you have to pay 5%, and the minimum you can pay is 1%. How we can pay 1%, that is on the other slide. Okay, if your commission is more than $10,000, then you will be paying only 1% as your withdrawal charges if your commission is more than $10,000. Okay, and the minimum withdrawal amount is $50. Okay, the minimum withdrawal is $50, but there is no limit for maximum withdrawal. No limit for maximum withdrawal. Okay, minimum is 50, maximum is no limit. This is unlimited. So this is the biggest thing to show the transparency of the company, that this company is not having a maximum limit, because some companies are having that limit, that if you are earning $100,000 per day, or you are earning 50,000 or 10,000, but you cannot withdraw that amount. You can only withdraw 500 or 1,000 or $5,000 per day. But here, whatever is you are earning, you can withdraw in one shot. So this is amazing. This company is very much transparent. And now we are going to the other slide. The other slide is payment methods, and companies using the most reliable payment methods available in the world right now, which is Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Stellar, Light, and Sigma Wallet. You can deposit through them and you can withdraw into them. And the next slide is the the ranks and rewards. Okay, so the very first rank, whenever you are having 2,000 business point in your pay leg, you will become the bronze executive of the company, and company will give you the bronze executive badge. And if you are having 5,000 business point in your pay leg, you will become the silver executive of the company, and company will be giving you the silver executive badge. And if you are having 10,000 business points in your pay leg, you will become the gold executive of the company, and company will be transferring the $1,000 into your Sigma wallet, so you can buy Apple MacBook Air laptop. And if you are having 50,000 business point in your pay leg, you will become the platinum executive, and company will be transferring the $3,000 to your Sigma wallet, so you can buy a package for foreign trip for two people. And if you are having 200,000 business point in your pay leg, you will become the palladium executive of the company, and company will be giving you $10,000 to purchase a car. And if you are having 800,000 business points in your pay leg, company will make you the rhodium executive of the company, and company will transfer the $30,000 for your car, okay, the Nissan X-Trail SV. And if you are having 2 million business point in your pay leg, you will become the plutonium executive of the company, and company will be giving you the $70,000 for a Toyota Land Cruiser GXR or any other V8 car. And if you are having 4 million business point plus 4 direct palladium executive, you will become the Pi Night executive of the company, and company will be giving you $300,000 for a sports car, Porsche 911 GT3, or any other sports car of your choice. And whenever you are having 10 million business point in your pay leg, you will become the tritium executive, the dream rank of the company, and company will be giving you $1 million for the penthouse anywhere in the world. Okay, so this is the last rank of the company, the last reward of the company. Okay, and this is the best time to join the company. As I told you in the start, that this company is only 2 months in whole Asia and Africa. We are all the top line leaders. We are all the front line leaders right now, and we are very, very lucky, because all the businesses in the world are falling down in the COVID-19 times, and we are the only business which is booming, which is spreading like fire. People are earning every day. In the other business, people are losing job, people are losing business, but here people are earning very fast, and people are getting big teams, big groups. Everyone is welcome here. So this is the business for this time. Okay, so I will suggest you that this is our responsibility to show this amazing business to the world. Okay, and I am very happy to have this kind of beautiful team with us. So now the presentation is finished, and if you are having any question, you can ask here, because we are having the top leadership here. We are having the grand upline also here, Mr. Ali Saeed. So you can ask any questions here, any question.